As a homeowner in Manassas, ensuring the safety and security of your family and property is a top priority. One often overlooked aspect of home security is the windows. While most homeowners focus on securing doors and locks, windows can be an entry point for intruders if they are outdated or compromised. This is where window replacement comes into play, offering an effective solution to bolster home security while enhancing your property's overall aesthetic and value. The vulnerabilities of old windows. Older windows can pose significant security risks. Many homes in Manassas feature traditional windows that may have been installed decades ago. These older windows often lack the robust security features of modern replacements. For instance, they might have worn out locks, fragile glass, or frames that are easy to break into. If the window doesn't fit snugly in its frame, it can create an easy access point for burglars. In addition, older windows may be less energy efficient, contributing to higher utility bills, but more importantly, they can make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Replacing these outdated windows with modern, security-enhanced models offers numerous benefits for homeowners concerned about safety. Here are a few reasons why window replacement is an excellent investment for improving security. Advanced locking mechanism. Modern windows come equipped with advanced locking systems designed to make it much harder for intruders to gain access. Many contemporary window models feature multi-point locking systems, which secure the window at several points along the frame. This is a far more secure option than the standard lock found on older windows. Multi-point locks provide additional resistance against break-ins, and some even have anti-lift features, making it nearly impossible for someone to force the window open from the outside. Impact-resistant glass windows are often a weak point in the security of a home because traditional glass can be easily shattered by an intruder using a tool or simply by force. Today's window replacements are available with impact-resistant glass, which is significantly harder to break. This glass is designed to withstand heavy blows, and in the rare event that it does crack, it tends to stay intact, making it more difficult for anyone to gain entry. This added layer of security can be crucial in protecting your home from break-ins. Stronger window frame. Many newer windows feature reinforced frames made of durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum. These materials are not only more weather-resistant but also provide enhanced security compared to older wood or metal frames that may degrade over time. Additionally, modern windows are designed to fit snugly into the frame, making them more difficult to pry open. With sturdy frames, windows become much more secure, providing peace of mind to homeowners. Smart technology integration in window replacement can also give homeowners the opportunity to integrate smart security features. Some modern windows come with sensors that alert you if they are opened or tampered with. These sensors can be connected to your home security system, allowing you to monitor your windows remotely. Smart windows can even be equipped with automated closing and locking mechanisms, ensuring that your windows are always securely shut when you need them to be. Better overall home security. Upgrading to new windows isn't just about enhancing the security of individual windows. It's about improving the overall security of your home. New windows make your house less appealing to potential burglars because they reduce the likelihood of a successful break-in. With stronger materials, better locks, and impact-resistant glass, your home becomes a more formidable fortress, discouraging burglars from attempting to break in. Increased curb appeal and property value. Beyond security, replacing your windows can also significantly improve the curb appeal of your home. New windows provide a clean, modern look, enhancing the exterior aesthetics of your property. This can be especially valuable if you are planning to sell your home in the future, as prospective buyers will appreciate the added security features and updated appearance. In fact, homes with newer, more secure windows often fetch a higher price on the market. Conclusion: for homeowners in Manassas, window replacement offers an effective solution to improve home security while also enhancing your property's appearance and energy efficiency. By investing in modern windows with advanced locking mechanisms, impact-resistant glass, and sturdy frames, you can make your home safer for your family and reduce the likelihood of a break-in. If you are looking to improve the security of your home, upgrading your windows should be at the top of your list. Not only will you benefit from increased peace of mind, but you'll also add value to your home in the long run.